affiliated with multiple market centers or maybe part of a business center or an independent agent office, and on your KW website, the bottom was showing your main market center location instead of the address that you would maybe prefer to have affiliated with you? Well, I've got some exciting news for you. I'm Amy Stack, the Regional Tech Trainer for the Mid-American region, and we can now update this through command. So if I go over to command here, I have my account open. I want to come over to websites. It is the last applet on the left-hand side. And in just a few clicks, we'll choose Manage Settings first. We can go ahead and update where that information feeds from to your website. So I've hit Websites, and then Manage Websites, and in here it takes us to our profile. There's this section here that says Market Center Brokerage Information. You'll notice that I'm actually affiliated with several market centers, so I have quite a list to choose from here. And on my website, it actually shows all of those options for me. Now, when I refresh the page, it is defaulting to this Glen Ellen location because that's where my license is. Now, if the incorrect place is showing as your primary office, you can choose your new office from here. And if you are part of a business center or an independent agent office that has a different address, you can select from that second drop-down which one you should belong to. So this is the business center here. And once you've got everything set up how you want, you can go ahead and hit save. If you're not seeing the information you're looking for, under this first section, Market Center Brokerage Name, you can see there is Add a Custom Office, and you can go ahead and update that as well. Right here you see office name, and it does let you start to fill that in. This will not be fillable unless this section says Add Custom Office. Now, I would definitely make sure to check with your leadership team to make sure that you didn't accidentally miss something or that they didn't accidentally forget to populate an option for you before you go with that custom option here, right here. But once you have everything selected how you want it, you can go ahead and hit save. And it'll take a few minutes, but it will update this part of your website. So you'll definitely want to make sure that you're updating it, and you might need to clear your cookies as well. And like I said, you will, if you are affiliated with multiple market centers, maybe you're in 2 states, you have 2 different licenses, that should be a toggle through option here so that your clients can see all of that information. But that is our exciting new update for you, and I will see you next time with more updates.